Hello everyone! In this video, we'll fix Canon PIXMA Error 5200. Next, check the paper path. I'll show you simple steps to fix Canon PIXMA Error 5200 quickly at home. Once the drivers are updated, your printer should be ready. Now let's do a quick test print. The error continues. Start with a simple power reset. Turn off the printer using the power button. Unplug the power cable from the wall and the printer. Wait about 10 minutes. Plug everything back in and turn the printer on.
Step 2. Check ink cartridges. Check ink levels. Replace low or empty cartridges. Here's how to remove a cartridge. Step 3. Reinstall cartridges. Remove cartridges. Clean contacts gently. Reinsert properly. Step 4. Check for paper jam. Open printer cover. Remove any stuck paper. Now let's look inside at the paper path.
Step 5. Let the printer cool down. First, turn off the printer. Now wait 15 to 20 minutes for it to cool completely. After the wait, you can safely restart the printer.
If the error still appears, contact Canon support or visit a service center. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more printer troubleshooting tips.